Wix versus Modalyst, which offers more product options for dropshipping. If you're trying to figure out which platform offers more product variety for your dropshipping business, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end because after trying both, I'm going to give you the best option to help you grow your store faster. Let's dive in and break down which platform comes out on top. Let's start with Wix. Wix is a popular website builder, and although it's known for making it easy to create websites, it also offers dropshipping features. When you use Wix for dropshipping, you get access to their Wix dropshipping app. The big draw here is that Wix integrates with a variety of third-party suppliers. You can import products from places like Modalyst, Spocket, and others, giving you a lot of product options. The fourth thing worth mentioning is Wix's marketplace. While it's extensive, it doesn't have the same number of specialized suppliers as some other platforms. Now, onto Modalyst. If you're looking at Modalyst, you'll notice right away that it is built specifically for dropshipping. Their supplier list is huge, with thousands of products from both US-based and global suppliers. Next thing to consider is the types of products available. Modalyst offers high-quality items, including niche categories like eco-friendly, fashion, and beauty products. But here's the catch. While Modalyst has more product options than Wix's app, it's still limited compared to other dropshipping-focused platforms like Oberlo. Let's talk about product variety. Wix can connect you with many suppliers, but the catalog is a bit more scattered. You won't get the same depth in categories like fashion, electronics, or home goods that Modalyst offers. Modalyst, on the other hand, provides a curated selection of products that are often higher quality, and the focus is purely on dropshipping, which means you'll have a more streamlined experience if you're targeting specific niches. Another consideration is ease of integration. Wix might seem like the simpler option, especially if you're already familiar with their website building tools. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to build a store, but when it comes to managing inventory, adding products, and setting up automated order fulfillment, Wix isn't as seamless as Modalyst. Modalyst has its own dashboard, and its connection with Shopify makes it easier to handle large volumes of orders and automate the dropshipping process. Let's also look at customer support. Wix has 24/7 support, which is great, but it can be hit or miss depending on the issue. When you're working with a dropshipping business, fast support is crucial. Modalyst is a little more niche-focused, so their customer service is more specialized to your dropshipping needs. They provide more specific help with product sourcing and supplier issues. So, which one is better? Well, both Wix and Modalyst are solid platforms, but the real question is, which one offers more product options for dropshipping? The answer is clear. While Wix provides decent options for product sourcing, Modalyst takes the crown with its focused catalog and variety tailored to dropshipping. If you're serious about growing your dropshipping business, Modalyst is likely the better choice. But here's where it gets interesting. After trying both of these myself, I found an even better alternative to both Wix and Modalyst that truly offers more for dropshipping. If you want a better solution for sourcing a huge variety of products and streamlining your dropshipping store, make sure to check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and some benefits you can't get anywhere else. Trust me, if you're serious about taking your dropshipping business to the next level, this is the way to go. So, go ahead, hit that first link and get started today.